You can claim $481 for free on the Unreal Engine Fab marketplace right now by getting these 3 asset packs for free until the 28th of July. You can keep them forever, but you only have until the 28th of July to claim them. These are the Stylized Village, the Ultimate Difficulty Scaling, and the Pack of Treants. So let's start with the Stylized Village. So this is a pack of 248 game-ready unique meshes, all of which have automatically generated collision and LODs. There are 160 materials and material instances and 378 textures, all of which are either 2K or 4K. This also includes a pre-made map in this as well for you to see and get an idea of everything that you can create using this modular pack. So you can take the inspiration and then go and make your own individual maps and designs yourself. In this, there's also an expansive, diverse set of foliage. From beautifully crafted trees to magical mushrooms, you can expand your stylized world with a diverse collection of foliage. And there's also biomes as well. So there's village and island environments featuring serene forests, a vibrant main town, peaceful seaside docks, and a whimsical mushroom forest for an immersive experience. And on top of this, there's also a collection of stylized VFX as well, from fireplace to magical mushroom kingdom butterflies. So I think this one looks absolutely great. And now we have the ultimate difficulty scaling. So this gives you one clean central editor to control any variable in any blueprint for any difficulty level. This allows you to balance your game in minutes, not days, and this is the tool that you've always wished you had if you want a difficulty setting within your game. So the workflow of this in 4 steps is you add a blueprint, i.e. your player character, an enemy AI, a weapon, or absolutely anything. You then pick a variable, for example, the health or the damage, and you can set the values per difficulty. So easy, medium, and hard can have different levels of health and damage. Or you can even just let AI do it. So you describe the balance that you want and apply its suggestions in one click. Using this, you can have an unlimited amount of difficulties, as many as you want. And it also features an AI-powered tuning. So you can describe what you want and the AI will balance every difficulty for you. So that is something definitely worth keeping in mind and mentioning, is obviously if you are someone who doesn't want to use AI in your games at all, which is entirely valid, this does have AI built into it. That being said, it says on the marketplace page that it wasn't generated with AI, however, they're obviously including AI within it. Your choice to use it or not, however, it is embedded into it and will then obviously be in your project as well. And last but not least, we have the pack of tree ents. So you have oak, ash, birch, and spruce. So these are rigged and animated. There are 5 characters with 47 animations, and the text resolutions being 2K to 4K. There's not much to say about this one. You can see exactly what it is that you're getting, and I think they look pretty cool if this is the kind of thing you need within your game. So I think that'll be it for this video, covering the limited time free for the second half of July 2026, where again you can claim $481 worth of assets completely for free that you can keep forever. And again, remember, you can use the professional license as well. So thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you found it helpful. And if you did, please do make sure to like and subscribe down below, as it really does help me and the channel out a lot. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.